Welcome back to my channel. Today we are making the easiest no yeast bagels with just a few simple ingredients. First, in a bowl whisk together 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon of baking powder and a teaspoon of salt. This is our quick no yeast dough. Then add 2 cups of plain Greek yogurt. This gives our bagels a soft, chewy texture. Stir it together until it starts forming a dough. At this point, you might feel that the dough is very sticky and you might be tempted to add flour or water, but don't add anything and just knead the dough with your hands. If you find that the dough is very sticky, you can apply some oil to both of your hands and then divide the dough into equal pieces and form that classic bagel shape. With these ingredients, you can make around 4 big bagels. Now brush the top with the egg wash to give your bagels that perfect golden finish. And now it's time to add few toppings. You can add everything bagel seasoning or sesame seeds or poppy seeds or whatever you love. Pop them into a 180 centigrade oven for about 20 to 25 minutes or until they are golden brown. And there you have it. Warm, fluffy, homemade bagels ready to enjoy. This no yeast bagel recipe is so easy to prepare and they turn out really delicious. Try this recipe and let me know your favorite topping. If you enjoy watching my video, please do give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more cooking videos. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, bye bye and happy baking.